I guess I was, I don't know, kind of winging it myself, right? Because I mean, I'm not a web designer or anything, but I've created a website before, but I mean, I don't do it for a living. Um, but I'd rather, go with someone that does something, as opposed to trusting my own instincts. And it would take me way too much time to even think about doing it myself. So I'll definitely like I'm gonna find somebody else to do it, and definitely, like I said, I'm glad that you helped me out substantially um, with my website. I think it gives me a good front for my business, my clientele. It's very friendly. It matches with my business. Guess I would say genre. The layout is like I said, it's friendly. So I think that's a good thing. And the updates that we've had have been expedient, um, and particularly the feedback or the assistance that I've gotten from the expertise that you have has helped me out. I would say structuring how I would present my business to a consumer. I'm not going to say I'm pretty sure I probably have some better ideas if I had a little more time, but you've given me definitely plenty of more. But I'm in the process of working on some of those things. But definitely the information thus far has been valuable. Um, so yeah, that would be my experience as far as introducing myself to your expertise. Yeah, definitely. Like I said, my parents, I would say the people that I work, the consumers, my product, it's again friendly enough and structured enough that they're okay to share it. Um, they're okay to send it out. So I think it's a product that definitely is able to be marketed. So I definitely think that has helped us. It's pretty cool. I think they like it. I think they like the design, the color scheme. It's friendly, and to me, it's like I think if you're working with kids,
Mhm.
um, it's got to be friendly,
Mhm.
and it's got to present an image of love, right? And I think that's what it's got to be like, yo, these people care.
Yeah.
And I think the information that we've developed together, the points we've hit, I think it gives enough for the parent that is not informed themselves to be comfortable. Well, I'd say it like this: Leslie is a personal person. So you get in business with Leslie, then you're gonna get her, and I respect that. My biggest thing would be, yeah, I know you're gonna be personal. So I mean, that's to me, it's like some people just want your money, so I understand it, right? And it's other people that's gonna care that the product they put out is gonna be worthy. Um, so when you're personal with somebody, generally you're gonna have more of a pride in the product that you put out. So that's why I say, yeah, it's definitely been a good deal.